Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to download apps on Windows 11. So if you are new on Microsoft Windows 11 and you want to download apps, you want to go here on the search box right here at the bottom and you just need to type Microsoft Store. So we're going to type here Microsoft Store and just need to click on this application. Now it will open up this Microsoft Store app. Basically, we can readjust or adjust the size of this window. So right over here. Now, as you can see, the Microsoft Store, you can find it any apps that you want to download for your PC. And basically, you can use this application without your account. But if you want to download an application, just need to sign in or sign out your account. So basically, you just need to click on the profile right there at the top to create your new account or sign in with your current account on this Microsoft Store. So basically here we have a lot of ways on how you can download this application. So if we scroll down, you will find here your top free apps. You will find top free games. So we have here some free apps, free games that you can download to your computer. And you can also use the search box at the top. For example, you want to find Netflix, and here you will find the Netflix. So basically just click on that and an option shows up right here saying get. So you just need to click on that get button and it will now start to download this application to your PC. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.